Hello all you beautiful confectioners. This week I wanted to show you how I created this beautiful, mouth-watering, sexy chocolate chip cake. Let's do it! Hey guys, what's up? I'm Mark and this is Epic Confections. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that bell notification for new epic videos every single week. So I took last week off because I wasn't feeling the best. I am back, I have lots of energy, I'm here to shoot a new video. I know this is not a traditional intro. We're doing some stuff around the house, so I had to really utilize a small space in the kitchen, as you will see. But I wanted to get on camera and say hello to you guys. I just wanted to say thank you for all of your well wishes whilst I was sick. So thank you. This week I wanted to make the ultimate chocolate chip cookie cake. Let's do it. Oh my god, these lights make me all shiny. God. Cut. Can I get some makeup here, please? Makeup! God, what do I have to do around here to get some goddamn powder? Ugh. So I started out by baking an 8-inch round chocolate chip cookie. Look at it, size of my face. And I laid some buttercream down on my cake board so that the cookie wouldn't move around. And then I spread a generous amount of white buttercream all over the top of the cookie so that when I lay my cake on it, it doesn't move. I already leveled out my 3 9-inch round chocolate cakes, and I'm just spreading some plain white buttercream in the centers of them. Then I sprinkled some chocolate chips on both layers. And then I took some chocolate sauce and I just started drizzling it all over the place. Look at that, that is sexual. Just stacking my cake here. You do want to make sure that your cake is nice and level, and make sure your cookie is nice and level. That's the most important part. Because if your cookie isn't level on your base, the whole cake is going to be crooked. Then just filled my cheater bag with some plain white buttercream, and I am just icing the entire cake. And just starting to smooth out all of my buttercream, starting from the top and then working my way on the sides, trying to get it as straight as possible. Once I was happy with my cake, I then went ahead and crushed up a whole bunch of regular chocolate chip cookies, and I placed them along the base of my cake. And then taking some chocolate chips, putting them around the cake, but making sure to put them above the crushed cookies. And it should leave you with this beautiful effect. I then melted down some chocolate and started doing a nice chocolate drip on that cake. Look at that. I don't know why, it's just so sexy, isn't it? Apparently sexy is the new word for today. So everybody use sexy in a sentence today. That's your goal. Just going around the entire cake with my drip. And I am loving this look. I don't know why, I love it. Next, I just stuck in a couple dowels where I wanted to place this other ginormous cookie that I baked off. And I just kind of stuck them right on there, making sure that the cookie was leaning up against those dowels. And I repeated the same process for the second cookie. Then taking some regular size cookies, well, regular size, who's to say they're regular size? Anyways, have fun with this. I just started placing them randomly wherever I wanted, wherever I thought they would look good. Have fun with it. There's no right or wrong. Just do you, boo-boo. Just make sure you're happy about it. Then I started crumbling up some more cookies and placing it all over the top of the cake. And then I'm adding some more chocolate chips to the top of the cake. Taking some more of that chocolate drip that I used before and just kind of putting it all over everything. I mean, why not? It's a chocolate chip cookie cake. The more chocolate, the better it is, right? And there you have it, folks. One sexy, mouth-watering, ultimate chocolate chip cookie cake. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like what you saw, click that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that bell notification for new epic videos every single week. Thank you so much to Mariposa Market for sponsoring this video, and I will see all of you sexy people next week. Mwah! God, what do I have to do around here to get some goddamn powder? God, what do I have to do around here to get some goddamn powder?